Today, I'll show you how to limit purchases by category in WooCommerce. First, open your WooCommerce dashboard, go to the Order Limit plugin, and click Add New Rule. A new screen will appear. Here, enter the rule name, select the rule type, and choose the category for which you want to apply the limit. In this example, I've selected cosmetics category and set the minimum limit to 5. If you also want a maximum limit, enable maximum limit and enter the value. Next, choose whether the limit applies to amount or quantity. I've applied the limit to quantity. Now, publish the rule. In the rules list, you'll see all created rules along with their enabled or disabled status. Now, visit your store and add a unit of lip shade to the cart. You will see an error message appears on screen saying cosmetics category. Minimum quantity must be greater than 5 and less than 8. This message appears on the shop page, cart page, and checkout page. Go to cart page. When you update the cart quantity to meet the rule requirements, that is between range 5 to 8, the error disappears and you'll be able to proceed to checkout. Click on Checkout button and you'll be directed to checkout page. Here, select desired payment method and click on Place Order. Your order will be placed successfully. Thanks for watching.